guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video I'm going to show you how I managed to achieve my hair staying looking really succulent, well moisturized, even through the winter days, and this is due to what I do overnight, so stay tuned and I'll show you what I do. So one of the first things I pick up is my Ayurvedic tea rinse. I've done a DIY video, I'll link it in one of the cards above, and also it will be in the description bar below. It's a very easy and affordable way of using good quality products that will fortify your hair, strengthen your hair, give your hair a really intense cleansing and conditioner. I can't say anything bad about an Ayurvedic tea rinse. You've got to try it out for yourself, but this is what's helped my hair through the night. I wake up and my hair literally looks shiny like this. I've done nothing to it. I've got no cream in it, no extra cream. I've just taken it out and manipulated it to go sort of lie flatter down below because it's been up in a ponytail. I've come back after a long day and it still looks like this. It's amazing. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I do. I will say though, you must watch the step 1 of the DIY if you don't know how to mix an Ayurvedic tea rinse. Do have a look at that video, and then you can move on to the next step. You need a towel or a t-shirt that you're not really bothered about getting mess on, because one of the ingredients in there is it stains quite badly. Yeah, so you don't want that to go everywhere. I usually put this on, I take it out of the fridge when I'm on my way to the shower, and then when just before I'm getting out, I'll wet my hair down a little bit. In the shower, I'll just do that on my hair. So I give it a good shake because some of the natural ingredients might be lying down below. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and spray my hair, getting into the roots. And then what I do next is I just massage it into my head, and I probably take about 4 minutes massaging, no more than that. Once I've done that, I take my hair in sections, spray the ends, and then through the shaft of my hair. And then I repeat this all over. So the idea is to dampen it, not to drench it with the hair tea rinse, but just in making sure I smooth it down into the hair shaft, just make sure it's all coated at least, and the roots. And then I take my Mel's Butter Me Up cream, which is product from Amari Me. This is from a natural hair and skincare online business, and it's, oh look at that, whipped butter with lots of goodness, and it smells so good. I'll leave the details in the description bar below, but what I normally do is I take my hair in sections, grab a little bit of the Mel's Butter Me Up, focus in on the ends, and the excess on my fingertips I just run it down the shaft of my hair. As you can see, my hair looks nicely conditioned, really shiny. So I take the next section and I just do it all the way around, and that's all I do. What you have to remember is the ends is the oldest part of your hair, we all know that. I'm not telling you anything new there, but because it's the oldest part, it's the most vulnerable part of your hair, which actually gets more destroyed as it rubs against your clothing, and if your ends get dry, your hair just does not grow. So we have to take care of your ends a lot more. If your ends are well moistured, your hair is going to grow. Trust me, my hair, I've had masses of hair growth by doing this routine. So if you've been following me, you know that my hair has been this length for a little while. That's because I wasn't doing anything with my hair. My fringe was up here. I had hair length for ages like this, and it's because I started to do these practices that my hair has just started to grow incredibly fast. Right, okay, the next step is what I do is I get my little satin hairband. I like it to be satin because it's no tugging on my hair strands. And depending on what I want to do, now sometimes if I want my hair nicely stretched for tomorrow, I'll do really tight low bun, and when I wake up in the morning my hair will still be this length. However, I do find that what happens with that is that I lose the bounce in my curl on this part of my hair. So tomorrow, because I want to have more bounce in my curl and more definition, I'm going to do me a ponytail up top, which we call, or better known as, a pineapple. There we go. So there is the pineapple, and as you can see, the ends look really well moistured. And because I want to keep my hair looking so curly and defined, it's up there as a pineapple. Now, I've got my satin bonnet. Let's take this off. And I'm just gonna tuck my ends in, my hair in. Not very attractive, I know. But I want to protect my hair. And that is the aim here. Yeah, I'm trying to let my hair fall the way it wants to fall. And then I just get bobby pins and I just crisscross them along the hairline, because my hair is silky. I don't know if it's too slippery, so this will not be on my head in the morning. But in the middle of the night, it just won't be. So I just pin it here. I know some people might think that it's tugging your hairline, but I'm not really it's not tugging it for me. If it feels a little tight, I release it slightly. And then I do 2 more here. And I use the long bobby pins, so I get quite a bit of the length held down off the satin bonnet, as opposed to the shorter ones. These ones are quite long. This ain't shifting nowhere. No, it doesn't look very attractive, but trust me, in the middle of the night when you're sleeping, no one's looking at me. Yeah, so that is it, guys. That's exactly what I do. And when I wake up in the morning, I kid you not, when I take my hair down, my hair is dried and it's silky and it looks just moistured. Doesn't look dry, wispy. I just take it out and my hair kind of, it's not as floppy as it is now because my hair's damp, but I just manipulate it down, put it into the style, do my edges with some edge control, and that's it. I'm done. So basically through the night my hair is getting a good condition. It's getting fed with all that goodness, the nourishment, the vitamins, all the protein in the henna. Oh my goodness, it's just making my hair look so gorgeous. Anyway guys, that's enough of that. I just thought I would just give you a quick tutorial on how to keep your hair conditioned and nourished through the night, so that in the morning your hair is looking kind of fly. If you like this video and you found it very helpful, give it a thumbs up because it really helps my channel. And thank you to those of you who have been supporting me. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Mel's World. Now if you're new to this channel, you might want to consider subscribing. Just push, yeah, just hit the subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. Guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care and God bless. Bye. YouTuber life, eh? When you finished. Thank you. So I'm just going to go ahead now and just spray